love my nails and my mama. I'm sorry. Well, hello there. My name is Diana, also known as Rice Kitty Nails. Today, I'll be showing you how to create these mermaizy nail designs. One of them is a 3D shell nail design, and the other one is the fishtail mermaid design. The colors that I'll be using are from the Seaweed Gel's newest collection called I'm Really a Mermaid. Phases color changing gel polishes. My favorite thing about a mermaid is how colorful they are. To create this look, the Seaweed Gel products that I'll be using are Let's get started with our first look. I've already painted 2 coats of the P10 I'm Really a Mermaid. Next, cleanse the nail with 70% alcohol to remove the tacky inhibition layer. It's great because it makes the nail matte so that when you use the clear builder gel to create the 3D shell design, you'll be able to see the design easier. To create the 3D shell, I'll be using the clear builder sculpting gel. This product has a thick viscosity. Start off by dipping the liner brush into the builder gel jar, and as you're taking it out, it should create this teardrop. Place the liner brush towards the tip of the nail. Press lightly onto the nail and drive the product upwards, making the line thinner as you go. Repeat this step with 2 more lines on either side, making sure the 3 lines connect at the center of your cuticle. Once you have completed your first 3 lines, we will cure in the U-Light Pro 6. The reason why I'm curing it now is so that the gel will not run or spread. Did you notice the color change after coming out of the warm lamp? After curing your first 3 lines, repeat this pattern on the entire nail. Now I am going to add another layer on top of the existing lines. Using the liner brush, simply apply more clear builder over the line. Finish your look with 1 thin coat of the upgraded No Wipe Top Gel. And here is the final look. Next, let's create our vertical ombre hand-painted mermaid scale design. Apply a thin coat to half of the nail. Next, using P16 See You Later, blend the center of the nail repeatedly. Wipe up the axis on a lip-free wipe. Depending on how opaque you would like your colors to look, you can apply 2 to 3 coats. Using the Liner 3 brush, paint an upside down U. I'm going to build another U shape on the right and left side. And then if you see that your lines are really thick on one side, no worries. You could always grab one of your angle brush. It's like it never happened. Continue repeating this design. Finish your look with 1 thin coat of the upgraded No Wipe Top Coat. Here is our final look. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you love these fantastic mermaid inspired nail designs. Make sure to also comment down below and let us know which nail designs or what's the next video you guys would like to watch from us. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rice Kitty Nails and Bio Seaweed Gel. Take care. Bye everyone. See you later.